Electric sports cars are quickly becoming the future of performance vehicles, offering unmatched acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly design. By 2025, the electric sports car market will be filled with vehicles that blend traditional performance with the power of electric drivetrains. These cars not only promise incredible speed but also a more sustainable driving experience. In this video, we will take a closer look at the top electric sports cars of 2025, highlighting their design, performance capabilities, and sustainability features. Performance: 1,000 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest sports cars on the planet. Range: 620 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 250 miles per hour. Interior: minimalist design with premium finishes, including vegan leather and touchscreen interface. The Tesla Roadster 2025 is setting new standards in electric performance. With its incredible acceleration, sleek design, and long-range capabilities, it promises to be a game-changer in the sports car world, combining insane speed with eco-conscious technology. Performance: 1,200 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.5 seconds. Range: 520 miles per charge. Top speed: 210 miles per hour. Interior: luxurious with sustainable materials including vegan leather and a customizable cabin. The Lucid Air Sapphire combines ultra-luxury with mind-blowing performance,